up? Christmas tree guys. Ito gusto ko guys pagka high ceiling ganyan.
Diyan mo ipakbay. Kunyara pa.
Ano?
Diyan mo ipakbay pinyura.
Ang labo. Parang ka naman nakikita yung service artista.
Wala sila pastor, no?
Mga video, naka-vlog kayo. Hi!
only get as sweet as every time our friends we get together, but turning into visions of forever. If I just believe this blue is mine, I can't pretend that I'm just afraid that something in me we were meant to be. I think I'm falling, falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid to turn away, but I stay anyway. I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Wherever we're together, wishing that the past would turn to never. 'Cause with you is where I always wanna be. Whenever I'm beside you, all I really wanna do is hold you. No one else but you has meant as much to me. I can't pretend, oh no, that I'm just a friend. 'Cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I think I'm falling, falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid to turn away, but I stay anyway. I think I'm falling, falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid to turn away, but I stay anyway. I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I don't know what to do. I'm falling for you.
Verdine. Meron din Verdine? Verdine, are you here? Verdine, brothers? Okay, you have chocolates here. Another. Another pair of chocolates and cookies. Starts with P. Pakaniban, ayaw tumatanggi. Sino gusto kumuha ng price nila? Toblerone this time. Sister Ethel, have Toblerone here.
This shopping season, save over $550 on last-minute weekly stays.
Here with us here.
Book now on
celebrating.
Verbo.
Okay, another pair.
Meet the 2025 Audi Q5 and the full Q5 family, designed for drivers who want
Ursha!
everyday luxury with the performance and versatility Audi is
Since marami
known
kayo,
for.
dalawin
From the
natin.
refined Q5 to the sleek Q5 Sportback and the performance-driven SQ5 and SQ5 Sportback, each model carries Audi's unmistakable design, sharp LED
Another
lighting,
Ferrero.
clean lines, and a confident athletic stance. At the heart of the lineup is the
The rare
Q5,
chocolate.
powered by a responsive turbocharged engine and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. It delivers a smooth,
Mario,
gentle drive that
legitimate
inspires confidence
winner
every
of
season.
Ferrero.
And when you want an elevated thrill, the SQ5 ups the performance with sport-tuned dynamics and unmistakable power. Inside, premium materials and
Ferrero.
Audi's virtual cockpit create a modern, immersive space.
Gel.
Heated leather seating,
Jel and
intuitive controls,
Jerome.
and generous cargo room make the Q5 family as practical as it is luxurious. Whether you prefer the classic SUV profile or the
Nakabang daw siya. Let's give him a warm applause, please. Let's welcome the arrival of Faye Kaduran.
Lamang sa buhay ko ang isang katulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig?
Faith over fear. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. God's masterpiece. God loves me. God did. Wow. Okay. Make sure. Okay. Likod niyo, picture kayo ng likod. Ano, oo, para kita din. Oh, so gift from God. Wow. Next. Colorful. Okay, go ahead. Explain, please.
Our design is inspired by the belief that every new year begins as a blank canvas. The white shirt represents a fresh start, while the artistic colors and brush strokes symbolize how God continues to shape our lives through every season. As a family of 7, each design reflects our individuality, yet together they show unity in faith, love, and purpose. The words on our shirts express gratitude, grace, and trust in God's promises as we step into 2026. This design celebrates creativity, family, and faith, reminding us that we are God's masterpiece, created with intention and moving forward together.
All right, wow. Thank you very much. Picture.
Has a turn to shoot the ball to the empty cup. Alright, using your blowing sample. So you remove
O
it.
yung babae, sobra kayo, 3 lang ang kailangan dyan.
Tingnan nyo kung tama na. Fair ba ang ating ano? Fair ba? Check nyo na, double check nyo. Fair ba mga distance? Okay, so sample. Sample. One. Okay, so pag nalaglag, once it does not go into the cup, you just have, let's say it falls here outside the cup, you put it back here and then you blow. Alright? So you finish. After you reach this point, the next turn goes stand and move. Same thing, you put it on top of the cup. Alright, music! Nasundan niya ha. Kinakailangan matapos nung sinusundan niyo lahat. Okay. Kinakailangan ma-shoot bago si Lenny, bago si...
After I put it back.
Okay, babalik nyo. Hindi, sila na. Yung susunod na lang. O yung susunod na lang ang mag-shoot maglalagay ha. Alright. Sample. Alright. Music. On your mark.
Music! Dramatic music!
That's it. Go! Go!
Oh wait, mommy! Mommy, I drew on mommy! I drew on mommy!
Kayo. Masusunod na. Okay. Pwede ba?
Doon sila sa kabila, kuya, para mahirap ang daan dito. Hindi pa naman. Hindi ka magbabalan. Ibabalik ka na. Pwede ibalik na lang. Para ibabalik na lang.
Alright. So, boy, habang babalik po yung susunod. Boys versus... So, nakashoot na siya lahat dyan, di ba? Yung susunod, ang kukuha. Okay. Alright. Ano yun? Ganyan, iipan mo lang, brother. Ayun, hindi. Mali yun. Dapat balik niyo pa rin.
Masyadong malakas ang hihara.
Okay, isang round lang to, yun ay silang winner na. Okay. Okay ha? Ayun mo. One. Testing. Ayun mo. Set. Go. Kaya ang bulangkan nyo, kapag lahat ng mga...
Nida na.
On your mark.
Shoot mo. Slow lang.
This is where sustainer. Go!
Let's switch to
You know the drill. Music, okay. You know the drill. Okay. Kinakailangan buo ha.
I played my drum for him and I played my best for him.
Hindi, wag mo na po hanggat hindi nila nabubuo lahat po.
Oh?
Sige. Wala. Huwag mong gagalawin na nasa ilalim.
Hanggang sa mawala yung
Sige, wala lang. Oh, sige, ikaw.
Ay, sandali lang. Bakit yun nakikialam sa napapaging?
Ulit ka pa.
Kaya mali naman kasi yung pagkain niya. Huwag mong gagalawin na nasa ilalim.
Dapat wala nang binabago. Para natatanda na.
Hula-hula na lang.
Anong gagawin ko ngayon?
Basta, wag ka maingay.
2.
Two, ha? Oh, two.
Tapos baba mo lang ulit yan. Yung susunod, mahuhula sa...
May dalawang tama na daw.
1. Bahit naman ito, tas mamo.
1.
Puro kami tama.
Baba mo lang ulit. Binabanit ko eh.
Bakit doon nakuha ka agad niya yung apat?
Sandali, sisilipin ko, madam.
Ay!
2. 2.
Baba mo na.
Oh, Kevin, try.
Ha?
Barry music. Barry music.
Alisin mo natin, lahat. Para yung next naman. Next.
Go. Yes, go.
mo itatouch.
Okay, try.
Magaling dyan.
Okay, try.
Tama, focus ka na.
Mabilis siya.
So let's try first. Touch. Touch, star. Okay, star.
Ikaw magsalita mo.
Touch.
Star daw.
Touch, star.
Yan.
Touch, star. Touch, star. Okay, touch, circle.
Kuya, mag-ulit.
Touch, circle.
Star circle.
Touch, square. Touch, star. Touch, triangle. Touch, rectangle. Do not touch, star. Do not touch, circle. Okay, do not touch, square. Touch, square.
Touch square.
Okay. Okay, mas mabilis ha. Bibilisan natin ha. Okay. So, score natin. Kung score. Best of 10. Best of 5. So, sino yung mauuna ha? Okay, touch, circle. Touch, square. Circle. Square. Circle. Star. Triangle. Do not touch circle. Galing. Do not touch square. Not touch star. Not touch square. Galing. Not touch circle. Not touch square. Not touch circle. Touch circle. Circle. Star. Square. Triangle. Do not touch circle. Ang galing. So it's a tie. Tie.
Bilisan mo daw si
As I said, Jeff, ikaw try. Okay.
Touch circle ba? Sorry. Okay.
Touch or do not touch?
Touch.
Touch?
Touch star. Do not touch circle. Touch triangle.
Ay, donut.
Touch rectangle.
Square pala yun.
Oh.
Mali ka na. Tama ka na.
Okay.
No.
You're gonna win brand new car. Brand new car. Okay, let's.
Yes, anak, it's star. Yes.
Triangle.
What is it? Triangles, rectangles, square, star,
Okay.
circle.
Triangle. Touch star. Do not touch circle. Touch triangle. Oh. Touch triangle. Touch circle. Touch circle. Do not touch rectangle. Touch square.
Square.
Parang mabilis. Okay. Ano na lang slow. Touch star. Touch circle. Do not touch triangle.
Donut touch.
Do not touch. Para sila. Touch triangle. Not touch circle. Touch star. Not touch rectangle. Not touch.
Yan.
Touch na.
Hindi. Nakausap niya. Not touch nga. Oo nga. Naguluhan sa isip niya. Pangalan niya siya. Kinakausap mo.
Okay. Touch star. Do not touch triangle. Touch circle. Touch circle. Do not touch rectangle. Touch star. Touch star. Do not touch. Do not touch.
Yeah,
Okay.
just do not touch.
Do not touch.
Kuya, this is only do not touch, okay?
Do not touch. Okay. This time do not touch.
You don't touch.
So he will say the shape do not touch. Okay?
Okay.
And if
Do not touch rectangle.
what?
Do not touch.
Okay. Okay.
Or binangungot na.
Circle.
Uy! Uy!
Friends, do not touch. Okay.
Talo na sila pareho.
Okay. Oh, sige. Oh!
Ano, kuya?
Yay! No, kuya, do not touch. Yeah, do not touch.
Okay, do not.
That is the last.
Okay, last.
Okay. Circle. Star.
Star ba to?
Oh, star.
Sa star yan. Isipin mo star yan. Star yan.
Okay. Warm up. This is the last warm up. Okay.
This shopping
Square.
season,
Square.
save over $550 on last minute weekly stays.
Touch, di ba?
Yeah.
Book now.
Yeah.
Yeah, tama. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
So,
touch
if it says
so I
square,
have to
you can touch, yeah, you can touch other
the
phrase.
sheets and touch.
Do not touch the button.
Expired na yung English ko kanina.
Okay, there you go. Rectangle. Star. Star. Circle. Square. Star. Circle. Rectangle. Square. Circle. Square. Triangle. Yes, finally we have a winner.
Wait lang, naka-times 2 to. O, kuha lahat.
Hoy, stairs lang. Stairs.
Stairs na.
Dek. Daddy. Babe.
Ito mga marinita ko.
Okay, find your height.
Find your height now.
Matangkad ako for today's video. Okay, turn
Oh,
on.
shout out dyan sa mga nakatambay, oh. Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. Atras pa tayo, atras pa. O ba, mawalog na tayo dyan, ha? Oh, matagal na tagal yan. 5 minutes ko yan.
Hoy,